I'm getting some yogurt. I want some yogurt for breakfast. Yes, by September 20th. What's today? Alexa, what's today's date?
It's Thursday, September 21st.
It's a day past. It's a day past to use by people. Does it say used by or sold by? Just says the date. I think one day's good. I think I can eat it one day past the date. You think? I think I can eat it one day past the date. So if you're wondering why Max is acting crazy, he hears Heather snoring in the bedroom. What noise is that? It's Heather snoring. You gonna wake her up? You gonna wake her up? Somebody had a cheeseburger. Somebody had a cheeseburger and fries. Somebody had a chicken finger and fries. So Grandma, Pappy, and Sheila must have been hungry last night. Somebody got ketchup on my tablecloth. They got ketchup on the tablecloth. Macaroni. Grandma brought some papers for you. You have to let her sleep in. Some people don't want to get up at 5 a.m. like you do. You know? Some people aren't morning people. We have to deal with birds every day. Turn around here. Throw on your cowboy hat. Say it's Halloween and we got cowboy hats again. Got cowboy hats again. If I give it to you, you're just gonna throw it. Right. There you go. Max is a cowbird. You a cowbird. See, there's a new sheriff in town. Maxwell T-Bird. Maxwell T-Bird's in town. You're just worried about her, aren't you? Hi! Well, I'm not taking you to the window because you'll be afraid. I'll have to text Nicole and say, Heather's going to be late for work. Text Heather's boss. Say, Nicole, Heather's going to be late for work. You already had your root moment in. I'm really posting your video. 7 o'clock. Everybody's gonna wonder where you're at. They're gonna say, "Where's Maxwell Bird today? We need a Maxwell Bird video." Alright, say goodbye. Bye.